Okay, just finished cooking. There's the fries, and there's the fish. Okay, this is tilapia fish that we're gonna cook. It's frozen right now, so I'm gonna put it in some water. I'm gonna put 2 bags. This bag right here, and this bag. Okay, got them in some water now. I'm gonna let it thaw out, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I fry them. Okay, I'm about to season my fish, because it's thawed out. Now the pepper right here. And I'm gonna put some season salt. Then I'm put some black pepper on here. I'm gonna try to put that much black pepper because I want it to be hot. Now I'm getting the cornmeal ready, so I can put the fish in here. I always season the side first, and then I put the cornmeal on the other side, then I season the side. And like this side of the season, I'm gonna put it down like this, and then I'm gonna season the rest of it. Last. On there. And then I shake it. Okay, now I'm about to put the fish in the fryer. I got 3 pieces on here. Okay, I'm about to put the fish in the fryer. Yeah, fry to the and then this. And I'm cooking fries with it to chicken fish. Golden. Okay, this is the final look on the fish. Now I'm about to put the fries in the fryer. Okay, this is what the fries like. I'm gonna take them out the fryer. Okay, just finished cooking. There's the fries, and there's the fish. There's my husband's plate. This is my son's plate.